It's no secret that the way you start your day sets the tone for everything that follows. Yes, we're talking about morning routines. Morning routines are more than just a series of actions we perform after waking up. Many successful people attribute a great deal of their success to their morning routines. This isn't mere coincidence. The book, The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod, delves into this fascinating correlation. It uncovers the morning routine that most successful people use every day in their lives. The Miracle Morning book by Hal Elrod reveals the secret morning routine of successful people. What if you found a strategy that could transform your life before 8 a.m.? Welcome to the Saver Strategy. Let's break down this life-changing strategy. It starts with silence. This isn't about merely being quiet. This is about intentional moments of peace and mindfulness. Whether you choose meditation, deep breathing, prayer, or simply enjoying a cup of tea in tranquility, this step is about grounding yourself and starting the day with calmness. Next, we have affirmation. This is your opportunity to set the tone for your day. Speak positivity into your life. Remind yourself of your worth, your goals, and your capabilities. This isn't just about wishful thinking, it's about programming your mind to embrace success and resilience. Then comes visualization. Imagine your dreams and your goals. See them in your mind's eye as if they're already happening. This isn't daydreaming, it's a powerful practice used by top athletes and successful people around the world. It's about aligning your subconscious mind with your conscious goals. Exercise is next. It's not about training for a marathon before breakfast. It's about getting your blood flowing, waking up your body, and releasing endorphins. Whether it's a brisk walk, a brief yoga session, or a quick workout, this step is about taking care of your physical health, which in turn supports your mental health. Reading follows. This isn't about reading a novel cover to cover. It's about feeding your mind with knowledge and inspiration. Whether it's a self-improvement book, an article, or even a motivational quote, this step is about continuous learning and personal growth. Lastly, we have scribing. This is about jotting down your thoughts, your ideas, your dreams, your gratitude. It's about reflection and self-awareness. Whether you're journaling, writing a to-do list, or simply noting down a thought that inspired you, this step is about connecting with your inner self. Remember, Savers isn't just a routine, it's a lifestyle shift. Now you might be thinking, sounds great, but how do I fit all of this into my morning? Well, friends, the beauty of Savers is its flexibility. Let's dive into some practical strategies you can use to integrate this routine into your life. Firstly, silence. This can be as simple as waking up 5 minutes earlier than usual and taking that time to meditate or just breathe. It doesn't have to be a grand hour-long meditation session. Remember, it's about starting small and gradually increasing the time as you get more comfortable. Next, affirmations. Write down your affirmations the night before and read them out loud first thing in the morning. You can jot these down on sticky notes and place them around your home if that helps. Visualization is up next. Picture your goals and dreams. Imagine the steps you'll take to achieve them. You can do this while you're sipping your morning coffee or even in the shower. Now, let's talk about exercise. A full-fledged workout may not be feasible for everyone, especially in the morning, but how about a 10-minute stretch or a short walk around the block? Remember, it's about getting your body moving and your blood flowing. Next up, reading. This doesn't mean you have to finish an entire book every morning. Start with a page or two of a book that inspires you or teaches you something new. Finally, scribing or journaling. This can be as brief or as detailed as you like. You could write down 3 things you're grateful for, or jot down your thoughts and feelings. Now, you may face challenges. Maybe your mornings are already jam-packed, or perhaps you're not a morning person at all. That's okay. The key is to start small and make gradual changes. Maybe you only start with 1 or 2 elements of Savers. That's perfectly fine. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach here. Customize Savers to fit your lifestyle, your goals, your mornings. In the end, the key isn't to perfect Savers, but to make it a part of your life your way. Wondering what you'll gain from this routine? Let's delve into the impact of the Miracle Morning. The benefits of this routine are manifold and can be life-changing. Firstly, it paves the way for increased productivity. By starting the day with purpose and focus, you set a positive tone for the rest of the day. You're able to accomplish more and feel satisfied with your achievements. Secondly, the Miracle Morning routine can significantly enhance your mood. The combination of silence, affirmation, visualization, exercise, reading, and scribing stimulates positivity, reducing stress and anxiety. Thirdly, this routine promotes better health. Regular exercise, mental stimulation, and mindfulness practices are all part of a healthy lifestyle. These elements combined with a consistent sleep schedule can improve your overall well-being. The miracle morning doesn't just change your mornings, it transforms your entire day and ultimately your life. With Miracle Morning, every day is a step towards success. The Miracle Morning routine is a powerful tool that many successful people use to set the tone for a productive day. It's about nurturing your mind, body, and spirit in the early hours of the day before the rest of the world wakes up. So, why not give it a shot? The beauty of this routine is that it's customizable. You can adjust the savers to suit your needs and preferences. You can even start with just 5 minutes a day. The key is consistency. You have the power to transform your life one morning at a time. So rise and shine, embrace the silence, affirm your greatness, visualize your success, exercise your body, read to expand your mind, and scribe to reflect on your journey. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video. Together we can make every morning a miracle.